So in this video, we're going to look at how we change our backup settings in JWEI's JWCAM. So first of all, I'm in JWCAM and I'm on the latest version of the software. You can see how to update to the latest version in the update video that I've made as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to machine parameter, then I'm going to go to backup and I'm going to set my parameter auto backup to a backup interval of every day. And I want to keep those backups for at least 90 days. Then I'm going to press apply, then I'm going to press OK, and then yes. Now once I've done that, if I come off the JWCAM software, I'm going to go to the icon, I'm going to right click and I'm going to go to open file location. Then in here you'll see the folder for parameter, and then you'll see that backup that's just been made this morning. So 28th of the 9th at 10 AM, there it is. So right click, I can copy that and then I can save that to a safe location like my server or somewhere that's away from this computer. Then we know that we've got all of that backed up data just in case. So the backed up data will actually include things like our debugging, so all of our compensations here. It will include our router automatic tool changer settings, and it would also include things like our bed mapping data and also use of the machine as well. So it's really important to have that backed up data there. So that's how we change our backup data on our JWEI JWCAM software.